Hi, let's transfer files from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And for that, we are gonna need this Type-C cable, which we need to plug in the phone and connect to the computer. Just like that. And don't forget to unlock your phone first. And after that, we can leave it somewhere near our PC or laptop and manage everything here now. So, if you want to transfer files from your phone to your PC or laptop, you just need to go in your device, here select internal storage and choose a folder. Let's select these pictures and now we can copy this file using the Ctrl+C combination and simply select where we want to paste it. I would select documents and paste it using the Ctrl+V combination. And here is how it looks. So we can do just the same but reverse. We can copy files from our laptop and transfer it to the phone. So let's copy this picture, for example, as before using the combination, open our device's internal storage and here select a folder in which we want to transfer this photo. And here it is. So now we can just unplug the phone and let's check whether this photo transferred or not. For that, I'm just gonna open the My Files application, which looks like this. And here in the recently added, you can see this picture. Or you can also go in the internal storage, select a folder. In my case, it was pictures. And yes, here is the photo. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped and thank you for watching.